How to transform Cyberverse Ratchet with Spark Armor Blizzard Breaker. To combine them, first, out of the package he has his flap up. Bring that back. Then move over to Blizzard Breaker. Take off the skis. And take off the treads. Bring down this flap. Then these pegs will go into these ports here. Bring this down. Take the top of the snowmobile. Bring that back. Take the bottom. There's this peg here. That'll go into this port and Ratchet's stomach here. Take a tread. And then plug them into the top of the shoulders where these ports are. Take a ski. And then they'll plug into the side of his hands down here. There's the official combination. What I like to do is take this treads, give him something in the legs. To transform Ratchet, first take off all the armor pieces. Bring up this flap up here. Well, before we go into transformation, talk articulation. Nothing in the head. Arms can go around 360 in a double elbow joint for the transformation. Nothing in the waist. Legs can go out that far. Back that far. Off to the side that far. And 9 degrees at bend. Just under 9 degrees for the knee to the roof of the ambulance. For the transformation, bring up this flap. Bend the elbows back. No, these pegs will go into these ports here. Bring out the side doors for the ambulance. Connect the legs. And then bring his chest up on this hinge here. Bring the arms in. And accordion his legs into here. Rolls decently. And then bring back the spark armor. What I like to do is, just for storage, plug them in. And there's Spark Armor Ratchet from Transformers Cyberverse.